Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, we will see the sectors where FIIs bought during October 2021 sell-off. So let's get started. So what we have observed in October 2021, after the Dussehra got over, we have seen some panic selling. At least $2 billion of equity got sold up from Indian market. That create some panic, and we have seen market hitting a low of 17,600. So what was the reason? Let's find out. So the selling trigger was from few FIIs. Those were anticipating the tapering by US Federal Reserve due that in November. But in November, what we have observed, Federal Reserve have not changed the interest rate, but they have told that in later months the bond purchase will be tapered by $15 billion every month. Due to that, even in next few weeks we can expect some sell-off by FIIs. And another reason was in all this pessimism, we have seen some strong buying by FIIs. Those are in three sectors that we are going to see right now. It shows their confidence in those sectors and they are more bullish on this broader market. So let's find out. So the first sector is automobiles. In this sector, they have bought almost around $400 million, that is 2,809 crores of worth of equity. And the reason was due to the festive season. The consumer demand was so high and the semiconductor shortage issue was getting eased by the second half of FY 2022. That's why they are getting a good opportunity to buy on dips, and that's why we have seen some good demand in TVS Motor and Tata Motors kind of stocks. And another reason was the rise in export. The volume got so high because of the two-wheeler OEMs get huge higher export exposure due to the consumer demand led by the export momentum and margin support. In CV space, we have seen a huge volume growth that was very strong, picked by the demand from infrastructure and construction sectors coupled with the improving fleet utilization levels. And the next sector was the power sector. What we have seen in the stock like Tata Power, we have seen almost 35 to 40% of jump in 1 month. That's the reason was because FIIs bought almost around 2,037 crores of power stocks, and the reason was due to rising consumer demand and they are expecting some good government reforms, and that's why they are expecting government to make some new laws and amendments like electricity amendment bills, and that pushed the BSE power index by 4% in October. So right now, if you are planning to invest in power stocks, I will tell you that don't put all your money at once. Try to do like dollar cost averaging. You can do that like in staggered way. You can put your money in power stocks, and right now because those stocks are highly volatile, you have to wait for some correction in them. And the next one is capital goods. That is being a recent favorite by FIIs because from the end of 2020 and after that for 7 straight months they are buying these stocks. So I will encourage you to find out those stocks and comment in our comment section so that other people will be aware about it. And the reason was the expectation in the revival of India's capital expenditure cycle, and that is fueled by the China crisis. So guys, these are few important stuff that I want to share with you. So if you like this video and you want to know more about it, then please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to know our exclusive swing and positional trades, please join our model portfolio. The details you can find in the description section below. So until next time, keep watching and I will see you in the next one.